This is a video for adjusting the sharpening stone on a 12-inch knife strip cutter. For viewing purposes, we are removing the guard. You should not have to do that on your machine. First, we remove the spring and let the blade set down on the lower stop. Now we adjust the grinder wheel out at an angle so it's touching at about 6 o'clock on the grindstone. And the top is about a half an inch away, 3/8 to a half an inch away. That's setting your approximate angle so that you're only going to be sharpening back about a 32nd of an inch back on the blade. First we lock the 2 bolts in the back. That locks the angle pivoting back and forth. Now we install the belt in a figure 8 form. Then we pull up on the grinder wheel taut and rotate it up against the knife. Then we can lock the set screw, setting the angle. And if you see here, we have the hone stone, so it's up and touching the back of the blade to remove any burr. This is the grinder grinds, it will roll the burr over to the back. Now to set the grinder in, we bring it in against the stop. The left screw being the stop, the right screw being what will bring it forward. Now we put the spring back on. That will hold the stone away from the blade, and that you should have the angle set pretty close to correct. You can move the grinder in as it gets smaller by loosening the left screw and tightening the right. Don't over tighten those screws or you can break the casting.